Finally made it to the water park and actually parked in the parking lot.
Hey everyone, listen up. Before we get into the video, we're partnering with Christina from FDV Global. She's a world-class travel advisor and she's ready to help you plan your next vacation at no cost to you. But more on that later.
Finally made it to the water park and actually parked in the parking lot. The last time we tried, it was completely full and we had to turn around, so we're already making progress.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's at 10:50. The water park was over 50 minutes ago, so
yeah,
we're having a Disney stay. That's why we're at the water park, because we are checking into the Polynesian today. But as on check-in day, you can go to the water park. So we're coming to the water park today.
Yep, they have the promotion where you're on your check-in day, you do water parks, so we're taking advantage of that. But we officially started our vacation.
Our
Staycation.
Feels like a 30-minute drive from home. How fun.
Yeah. Well, there's a little traffic, but all good.
I-4 just as I-4.
Yeah.
It was I-4 and today.
Yep. We are headed in. We will have some special guests, and we'll show you who that is
Don't help
in
me.
a little while.
Help me up. Show me.
Angles. This is great.
Have a good day. Welcome in.
Look at that. So cool. Beach house.
Never been there.
Beach house. Towel return.
Need to go potty.
There's towels right there. You want to grab some towels? Yeah. Go to the bathroom. Oh, we got to check out some merch over here.
So much.
Yeah. We'll check that out in a little bit. Oh, look, buddy. Oh, looks like Goof crashed through there. What happened? Goofy. What is he doing? Oh, that's not Goofy. That's an alligator. That's silly. What is that alligator doing? He crashed through there.
He crashed through there. What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Whoa.
Wow.
That slide up there. That's crazy.
Whoa, buddy. I don't know which way to go.
I don't know where to go. This is a whole new experience for us.
Type speed. That's where we're gonna go over there.
That's the splash area.
Yeah.
Splash pad.
Yeah.
Frostbite Freddy's.
Yep.
They have like ice water over there too. Yeah. Oh, I love the those going up there to the like the ski lift. That's really cool. Oh yeah, dude.
We love a lazy river.
Yeah, lazy river, Owen. Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Under the bridge. Yeah, this is awesome.
I'm excited. This is so fun. I haven't been to a water park in so long.
Yeah. Well, I haven't been. Like I said, the last time I would have been here, it would probably look very different. And I don't remember anything, so it's basically a first time.
I'm about to buy chairs somewhere. Oh, wow.
Wow, buddy. Well, cool.
All right, and house time. Wow.
No, okay. I thought you both.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Did you already turn the vlog on?
Once you get wet, it's on. It's right now.
On it.
Action.
Action. They made it.
We're here!
Is your first time?
It's my first time.
Yeah, it's all of our first
Okay,
time.
cool.
So
It's basically all of us.
I am actually living out a childhood dream
Oh.
because I grew up watching a VHS, the We Sing Along, whatever, and they had one for Blizzard Beach. And Goofy was on the ice cubes in like the little pool, and they were going, "It's hot, hot, hot." And I watched that over and over and over again. I want to do it so bad.
Yeah. Sorry.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Yeah, we're excited. We're gonna go do the lazy river. Oh, there's a little bit of a traffic jam.
Literally living out our dreams right now. This is so exciting.
Well, steep.
Be careful.
Cool.
What the heck is going on? But that makes sense because they're playing Christmas music here because it's an alpine ski village. That makes so much sense, you know?
while we're waiting.
Theming.
And angles.
Oh gosh, was it like here? That's good. That's gonna make the vlog for you.
Uh-huh.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, you got it. All right, let's see if we can. Oh, Rachel.
See you later.
Yeah. Push. Hey, Owen.
Oh, what, look at that.
Hey.
You ball me.
Rachel.
Look at your feet in the water.
We're gonna go.
Are we going to the bridge? I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You're good. Sorry. You're behind me.
I feel like I'm just going faster than everybody. Okay.
Wow, this is so fun.
Cover you. You'll put your face up against mommy's chest and you'll be okay, okay? We gotta come on. Put your face right here and I'm gonna cover you up, okay? Yep, just like that, okay? I'll tell you when we're found, okay?
I just got soaked. Whoa! This is so cool. What do you think, bud?
We're in a cave.
We're in a cave.
This is so cool.
Whoa! We should- was that?
That's crazy. That was the most refreshing.
That was Solar and she was just getting plummeted by that. By that waterfall. Did you like that? What did we do? Where did we go?
What did we go into?
Cave. A cave. That was cool. That was so cool.
Oh,
Yeah, we couldn't see Rachel.
I watched more got back behind us now.
Because I want to try and get. Oh no, I got you.
What do you think, buddy?
Pretty cool.
Did you see that big waterfall in that cave?
That was crazy.
Just silly.
It got me right on the head.
Did you see it?
It went. That was crazy.
It went under my glass.
Oh!
Get out in the water.
In the water.
It's hard.
I wonder how long this thing is. You know, like I said, it's pretty long.
Well, it might be.
We're having fun. We have no idea how long this is. No idea. All of us are just in for a ride.
Is that what they do at Blizzard Beach? I don't know.
Sure.
I'm ready to be at the Polynesian.
Oh my gosh,
that's
right?
that
Do you
vibe.
know anything the inspiration for Johnny Tsunami was?
Was it this?
For what, really?
Johnny Tsunami?
Oh,
The
yeah.
original Shampoo
Uh-huh.
and it's about a surfer kid and he became a skier.
I'm just gonna hold your
Very
legs.
Pacific.
Maybe. That'd be pretty cool.
I did a Johnny Tsunami bound one time. I did.
Johnny Kapahala.
Yeah.
He's beautiful.
Yeah. The little beach set that I wear on our cruises.
Yeah.
It was part of that.
Ah, nice.
It's a classic.
Nice. Oh.
That is actual ice water.
That's
That went in her face, didn't it?
Bubbled under my butt. What is happening?
It went in her face.
It went in your face?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy.
And it went in my head.
Wow.
Thanks, having a great time. What you think, buddy?
You like the lazy river?
I was like 2 weeks ago, this probably wouldn't have been happening.
No, that's crazy.
This is a great time.
What's over there, a buggy?
Mm-hmm.
It's so cute.
Ollie! What are you doing? Are you in the way?
Isn't that big cool?
What did we get? What'd you get? Say Mama, Kristen, and Rachel are on water slides, so we're coming to have ice cream without them. Ooh.
Thanks for spending some time with us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss out on any of our adventures. Bye everyone. See you real soon.